Christmas, on the other hand, or even Hanukkah, were non-events. Christmas for the obvious reason. Hanukkah, for some reason, didn't really seem to loom large in my childhood. And I can remember, like I'm sure true of lots of kids, again, of my generation and culture, thinking that we were being somehow, if not cheated, we weren't getting what the Gentile kids were getting at Christmas. And so I made a point at one time of saying to my mother, I wish we could celebrate Christmas, which to me meant, of course, getting a Christmas present. The idea of multiple presents was nothing that ever entered my mind. And so that year, I got a bathrobe. I can't tell you how disappointed I was. The idea of anticipating a Christmas present and getting a bathrobe.